Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. Neffex, where did you go? Neffex, you were here right with us. A long time no see here on Going Guitar, perhaps. But anyway, we need to bring in something else sometimes. But Neffex, you are a staple here. So yeah, let's take a look at this one. Where did you go? We use capo on the 2nd fret to handle this song here. We have 5 different chords. So let's take a look at the chords. We have first the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is the C G chord. That is basically a C but with a G in the bass. Get this a little darker feel to it. So that will be 3rd on E, 3rd on A, 2nd on G, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we'll have the DA. So that is basically a D chord, but with this A note added to it, again, to get this a little darker version. So that will be open A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And then we have the G as the final chord. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we're gonna use a strumming pattern here that covers 2 chords, and that's it. That's how I handle the chord and the song. So we're gonna look at the transition here from the first 2 chords in the verse play. It's A minor to the C G. Alright, so 1 round goes like this. Down, down, that's part 1, and then you shift chord and play part 2, and that will be 1 full strumming round in total. So, like I said, the first chord, A minor, you just play down, down. So, and then part 2, you shift to next chord, in this case the C G chord, and you're gonna play up, down, 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 down. So the shift goes pretty fast here. It's A minor, down, down, then up, down, 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 down. So slowly. So down, down, and then C G, up, down, 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 down. That is the first 2 chords in the verse, and then you're gonna play the same with the same principle here between E minor and the DA. So E minor, part 1, down, down, and then DA, part 2, up, down, down, down. And these 4 chords are the verse play. Okay, so A minor, part 1, C G, part 2, E minor, part 1, and DA, part 2, like this. Right, so over to chords, and it's very, very similar. You just play in the same way, A minor part 1, C G part 2, and then now instead of playing the E minor, you replace that with the G instead. So G part 1 and then DA part 2. So A minor, C G, G, DA, like this. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers Neffex, verse, and chords. Where did you go? Hope you will be back here again soon on Going Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.